Hello friends, we are back with a new solution, that is barcode solution in Tally. In respect to the old traditional solution given by many developers and partners, that is printing barcode from purchase voucher, we have made a very different barcode solution in Tally. We have an option here in the gateway of Tally called barcode printing. Before that, let me tell you, we have a stock item. We have two options to have barcode, that is alias and part number. You can give your barcode either in alias or in part number. If it is in both the places, part number will be taken at first. So without wasting any time, we go to this barcode printing in gateway of Tally. Here we select a new item, that is called bedsheet single 220. This particular window will be seen in your screen. The first line, it is asking you labels in a row line. By seeing this picture, you will understand, like 1 label, 2 label, 3 label, 4 label. So which sticker you are using, accordingly you can mention here as per your sticker that how many rows labels are there in a row. So here I mentioned 3, taking as this one or 2. Now number of labels to be printed, 5, 10, 20, 2, 1, whatever number you like. I mentioned 15. Then we have to mention the width of the label. So if you have multiple labels to be printed in a single day, you can do as per your wish. So here we have already predefined as 38 and 25. This is changeable. And the height of barcode print area. What is height of barcode print area? This is the height of barcode print area. The sticker height is 25. But we are printing only in 20 mm. So we have to mention that. If we don't mention that, what will happen? The sticker will go in the top. It will not look good. So to centralize the barcode printing, we have to give the barcode print area. These 4 lines, that is the space in the top, bottom, left and right. By default we have given 0.1, which can be adjusted as per your wish if you have any space in the either of the corners. Now we have 4 options to be printed in the barcode, that is company name, item name, MRP, standard rate and the barcode. So if you want company to be printed, you can do it yes. If you want company name should not come, you can do it no. So this is also user defined, you can give it as per your wish. Plus the size of the font, that also a user can give. So here I have given 10 because height of a barcode is on 20 mm, that is 2 cm. So I am keeping it small. Item name 10, item name I do it 8, MRP I do it 8, standard rate I have not mentioned in the item, so I am not giving it here. And the barcode 10. I preview, so it will come in this way. Now I see by pressing a mouse in between, and we see that it is coming exactly 25. Here we do it, it should be 50. Yes. So that means my barcode is perfect. It can be printed in either barcode printer or through laser printer. Whatever printer you have and whatever labels you have, you can define and print your barcode as per your wish from our module. Now we go to the traditional system and we see there are 2 items are there. I press Alt P. If you do it Control P, it will straight away go to the voucher printing, and Alt P will give you 2 options, barcode and invoice, and the configuration of the barcode. The same system is there, only the number of labels is not mentioned because the numbers will be picked up from the quantity which is mentioned in the purchase. The same system is given here. I just give the barcode size and you can see the barcode is printed. I have not mentioned anything else, no item name, nothing, and the barcode will come up. I show you one barcode with a bigger size. Labels 1, number 3, height as a 50, width as a 50, height as 70, print area 50, company name 20, item name 20, MRP 15, standard price not required, and barcode height 25. Rate is not coming because rate is not mentioned in the item. So what we do, we go to the stock item, tally single, standard price, we make it standard price, yes, 21 to 40, we mention it. We go to barcode printing, tally single, everything is predefined. Instead of MRP we do a standard price 15 and we preview. The labels are gone bigger, the size of the company name is gone bigger. So this way you can print your barcode and you can define different sizes in a single module. You don't need your developer or any partner to redefine your program again and again. Everything is user friendly. Thank you very much. If you like this one, please like the video. Thank you.